Yeah, so during our explore for the day, we rode through a little town called Granite Quarry. It's in North Carolina, just on the other side of Salisbury. It's worth seeing. Not nothing super special or super fancy, and I would have recorded some of the houses because they were quite neat. But the speed limit through there is 55. It's a lot of traffic. There's no way to really slow down and really enjoy the view. A lot of rough stone cut houses, even convenience stores made out of that rough granite. And it makes sense since, you know, it's called Granite Quarry, North Carolina. We stopped at a little park. I'm going to show it to you. I don't know if it's much bigger than the eye can see, though. It might be quite a bit bigger, but the little area we're at is very pretty. It's a water feature, so, you know, we'll check it out a little bit, see if there's anything to see. See, they're stones, but these aren't rough cut. A lot of the houses and water features are rough cut. Oh, look at that. They're duckies.
Pretty purple water.
Huh. Aw. Nice little duck pond with a water feature. This is, I think, US 52.
Putting that on YouTube, I'd play that theme song. DuckTales.
DuckTales. Ooh.
Turtle.
Is there a turtle in there?
Right there.
Oh, wow.
That's it.
Yeah, dude. Put the keys in your pocket.
When he sees you coming after you.
Oh, y'all think we got food. There's feeders over here. I know, got nothing. I'm so sorry.
Another one over there. Another one over there, too.
Mm-hmm. Turtles that made themselves the house.
Over there, too.
Wow, this is a lot of turtles.
That's a big one, too.
Bread makes us ill. It does not contain the right nutrition. So it's got like a feeder thing you can buy food to feed the ducks with. I don't think I have any quarters. Sorry guys, coin shortage. To see if it had a coin price on it. Oh, okay.
I'm not fishing pole.
I don't think you're allowed to fish in here. Probably somebody, I don't know. There's a little park place over there.
Better see all the turtles in there. I'd jump in.
Well, hey, well, the turtles, there's probably no gators. It's fenced in real well anyway, so it's probably no.
No fish, too.
Yeah, highly. Oh, wait, look at that. What'd you say, no fish?
Okay.
There are fish in there.
That big turtle right there.
That is a big old fella.
He's old.
Yeah.
That's a big fish, too, that just came up here.
They're used to being fed.
Something else. It's a different color.
Another turtle. Look at this. This is actually pretty great. I'm glad we stopped by here.
Get a shadow every once in a while. You see him right there?
Yeah, that is a big fella. These turtles. This is great, y'all.
Man, I was just coming up right up here.
I'm so glad we stopped by here.
And he's a big boy.
Oh, that one's bigger. Oh, look.
There's a baby one.
That is so awesome.
There's a whole swordfish coming up here.
Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I don't have any quarters. Try to get you some food. Aren't they gorgeous? Wow. Okay, I'm happy we stopped here. Let's go check out something. Let's see if there's any more over here, though, that'll come up. Oh, there's a big fella right there, too. Look. Hi. A lot of the houses in this area are made out of these kind of stones. It's very beautiful, and they've got a lot of features too. Like some of them have wells made out of this, some of them have retaining walls, and just front entryways. It's really neat. Yeah, it does need some repair, but
What is that? That's not a duck.
I don't know what that is for sure. Then again, it may be some kind of duck. I don't know. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, it sure is. That one's... I want to bring Zach here one day. I think he'd love this. Oh, crap. What was that?
Fish.
That was a fish?
Getting dinner. Yeah, leave right there.
Oh!
They're eating all the little fish.
I just wasn't expecting it.
Big. I think it's about 10 pounds. You see him? Right here?
Knock on the wood. That's what was bringing him up.
No, the fish is bringing him up.
Huh. Yeah, I'm bringing Zach out here one day. He'll love this. And Anthony when he's old enough. House to live in. Pretty property. Almost kind of creepy looking, y'all. What? Don't do that in the woods. What's wrong with you?
I heard something.
Oh my God. It's actually kind of beautiful out here though. I mean, it's definitely beautiful out here, but... Some metal right there. I think it's beautiful. Creepy, but beautiful. Yeah. It's kind of like a great little nature trail. Yeah, a little creek down there.
Fishing. We can come get your bait gun.
Oh. Imagine you'd be stopped from doing that. There are some houses up on the hill back there. It's a great little nature trail though. It's got little signs up telling you about the different kinds of trees and stuff like that. I love creeks like that. Say what?
Crawdads.
Yeah, oh, you're going to see all kinds of crawdads and mud bugs.
Find the little holes and flush them out.
Yep. I'll say it is absolutely gorgeous out here. Dark and dingy. Got the horror movie feel to it. Let's go over the bridge. Well, I don't know. Huh. I imagine that just takes us back around to the car. Of course, there's a rock in my shoe. Hold on. I'll say there's also a lot of mosquitoes. A lot. They are biting me. Diving on this little area for sure. Let's see. Cypress. Wait. I don't know. Ooh, y'all, cool. If anybody's wondering, it is an extremely bright, sunny day in North Carolina. Literally over 100 degrees, but in here, it's probably 80 and very shady. It's very, very dark. It's gorgeous. I actually have to bend all the way back just to see the top of these trees. Probably not always.
Well, when it rains, it probably gets warm. I can tell it's been wet recently.
Oh, yeah. Sweet gum? Oh, it means it's got them little sharp pointy things on it. I think that's what it means anyway. It's actually a great little place, honestly. Nice little area. It's probably about a mile through here, though. I don't know. Probably, maybe not that much. Nice little walk there.
I don't think you walked a mile yet. Maybe half a
Yeah, it's beautiful though. There's like some kind of rickety bridge coming up there. I think we're okay.
Walk up, walk all the way down there and walk across the bridge.
I don't know.
Never mind. I see. There's water. You can jump in?
No, well,
Can you throw you in?
I only got 16 minutes of record time. I'm gonna have to end
I'll
this.
give you my phone.
That had to be short clips, but I guess we could do that.
Wife ran ahead, but look, there's another one. And then, another one right here. Could be ones that just didn't hatch that got left. Because I don't see no mother around it.
We're getting ready to leave. We're walking around this park and look, there's an egg. And I imagine it belongs to one of the ducks. That is so cool. Huh. Alright, you guys, I gotta remember me rock.
Probably to put the rock down.
I don't take them.
Me down first.
I don't take them from cemeteries or any place that might be hollowed, but a stone from a granite quarry park should be just fine. All right, you guys, amazing off-scale victory. Hubby told me he was joking. He said, "Take the keys, run up there, and crank the van." So I took the keys and I jogged up here and cranked the van. Not tired. He was also kind of complaining all the way through there that I walk faster than him now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and ring that bell for more crazy, amazing adventures. Hubby even says so.
Yes, I said so. Do it. Do it.
Oh, and if you're interested in how I lost 153 pounds, my information is below for my other channel that I tell you every day what I weigh, what I ate, and how I did it.
Thank you.
That concludes our journey to... What park is this? I don't know what the name of this place is, but it's on...
Granite Quarry.
Well, I know the table name. Is that the name of the park? Okay, so it's like Granite Quarry Park on US 52 in North Carolina, Granite Quarry.
Oh, well, the new one off the billboard says EQ Granite Quarry.
It's neat. It's a really neat little place. Cannot wait. I'm totally bringing our grandsons here. They're going to love, especially the turtles and ducks. Gotta get some photos. Maybe I need to make my son some sandwiches.
Yeah, stick his fingers through the...
He's gonna stick his fingers through the gate. He's gonna get bit. But he's 6. You know he's gonna do it.
They duck.